How to put images together on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then just go to your chat section over here. Then tap on one of your friend who is supposed to be your best friend. Tap on their profile. Then you can see the three dotted lines over here at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that. Then tap pin your friend as your number one BFF. So just tap on that. And then here you can see the options are available for you. Just tap on next, and as you can see that subscribing is currently not available in my region, so we'll have to wait. But when you are subscribed to this service, then you'll be able to put two Bitmojis together on Snapchat when you pin the person as your number one BFF. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.